And teamwork make the dream
McFeely,
work.
come on, man.
Gamers, we're back. We have another episode of Once Upon a Galaxy, Autobattler on Steam, free to play. New seasons, new characters. This character, the Lightning Thief, is from last season, I believe. But I have not played with him very much. We'll just throw in the starter deck. His ability, after you cast a spell, capture it if your bottle is empty, of course. And then your bottle can recast captured spells. I believe when you get a treasure. Yeah, find another treasure. So basically we're going to be capturing our spells in this bottle and then getting a treasure to recast them. Let's give it a try. And if you haven't played this season, they got some new cards in the rotation, like this Dragonling quest card. I attack 3 times, get a common treasure. And honestly, early on, I think what we're going to want to do is get some of these quest characters out of the way. And then if we see a good spell, just pick it up. Maybe a True Love's Kiss or something. Something nice. But a turn 2 egg is just like, thank you. Well, Silver, the daughter of Athena. And I probably should take this, but the puck? I mean, what the puck? On the mysterious egg. This character is like one of my favorite commons. +3 attack. Can win you some games. It lost us that one. That sucks. I was just talking it up. We'll go Peter Pan. Buff our Fae. Here we go. I don't want to get that though. That's the problem with this character. I'll be bottling that spell. I do want to like get my half a heart back with the pumpkin spice latte, especially since it is the season. But I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get this Rage Mage. This is a new card for the season. The Rage Mage, when you play a spell directly on a character, give it slot +2/+2. That's very nice for us. Very nice. God, that monkey just blasted my backline. This is not looking good so far. We're down a heart already. And honestly, I probably should have grabbed the pumpkin spice latte just to proc it with this. But that's fine. We'll silver our dude. I'm just gonna grab the Katamari. And then we'll do Potion of Treasure Finding, get our quests to proc a little higher. Do we have faith? I've got faith. I've got faith the Karmic Chameleon can hit. Oh yes it did. Dude, Blind Mice is kind of crap for us though. Dude, we lost that one too, that's crazy. It's the risk you take taking a turn 2 egg though. Oh man, do I pass on the friggin' pumpkin spice latte again? I feel like I do. And then we're gonna swap out the puck with the Jill. Just a better puck, really. Should do like that. Ooh. I like Blackjack, man. Especially with what we're doing, because he'll just proc the spells over and over again. Man. I'm gonna grab him. We're gonna grab him. Just because he's bigger, anyway. But the idea here would be if we can get a spell off and then just survive damage, it'll proc the spell again. Because he gets a common every time. We friggin' tied. No, we won. Okay, good. I was gonna say, we tied there, man. Crazy. Bonus shop? I'm not about that. I kind of don't want to get rid of any of this though. Let's just do it. And let's just see how this works with the blackjack. I'm going to grab the bonus shop. That went into my lightning in the bottles. Now it's got the little lightning in there. So it should. Keyword should. This is a recruiter bill. I take that. Pop as soon as this guy lives. And just to ensure he lives, oh man. The grotto on the friggin' blind mice is definitely what I should do. I'm doing it. I don't want to lose the game right now. I need to get this blind mice huge. He's got something similar going on, doesn't he? This guy's bigger than mine. That sucks. Okay, we tied. Nope, we got one again. Jeez. My math is terrible. Okay. We need gold in me, keep an extra treasure. I think I'm all set with that. I think I'm gonna give... We're gonna give this to the blackjack. I want him to survive a hit. Support +7 +8. That's better than this. I'm just gonna swap it out. Okay. Dude, I just got one shot. It's crazy. I got killed by one. Oh my lord. We're down a heart. We're down to a heart. Okay, hold on here. I need to keep that. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna take the 24-24. It's bigger. Ooh, True Love's Kiss. We're doing this. We'll do it on... I think we'll do like this. Okay. Not the greatest. I haven't survived a single hit with that guy. It's actually crazy. We just lost another half a heart. Oh, this is painful. Silver, dude. Ooh. It's so late for that. I think I just need to survive one hit. This would work good with our ability too, but I need to just live here. So I'm gonna get a treasure. Each fight give your slots with gold in. I mean, let's just do the rainbow bridge. We're gonna get our bonus shop because that was our lightning in the bottle. We're gonna silver our Conan. And we're gonna buff all our dudes. Okay, so now we buffed all our dudes. That's in the bottle. Now this guy needs to survive a hit. Okay, he did. So it should proc our lightning. Which it did. Boom. Do it again. Buff our dudes again. And again. We're gonna gold our dude. I'm actually gonna nah, it's fine. I was gonna say I want to move him, but okay, what do we got? So we got some new treasures here. I don't think I've seen these two, maybe. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Seeds of Symmetry. Each fight, each of your characters' attacks and health become the higher of the two. Okay. Each shop give the lowest rarity character 50-50. When 5 of your characters are killed, get a random treasure. Dragons count for 2. Got the symmetry. Never tried that before. Ding, 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 ding. Will Silver get a free shop? And honestly, at this point, we just need to go big, so we're gonna get a True Love's Kiss on this guy. It's a doppelganger. That's actually great for us. And it's gold. So it's gonna summon 2 clones of the enemy that KO'd it. That's probably GG. That probably wins us the game. Oh, and we got our blackjack to proc, so we're gonna get the True Love's Kiss again. And again. I'm down to just get rid of this guy. We got a Fractic. Look at this little guy. A little bald spot. When you play your first spell each turn, get a bonus shop. That's nutty. Did we try to transition right now? I might. I'm gonna get this guy. We're gonna start slapping spells on him. Son of a bee. Okay, we're gonna shrink T just to try to live. Get a bonus shop as well. So that went into our bottle. Which kind of sucks. I need to cast spells directly on this guy, which blows. Let's just do like that. Is this the big guy? Nah, this guy's decent sized. I need to live like 1 turn. Sucks that that dude didn't proc. The beauty of the doppelganger. Wins you games. Or ties you games in that case. I need friggin' direct spells, bruh. Let's just get it. Because it'll give us a free shop. I mean, we silver all our dudes, right? I think it's time to move on from this guy, actually. I'm gonna Bahamut on this guy. And then we'll do the double over here. Put the mouse on that one because they'll get the most out of it, most buff out of it. And then this is not direct, so it's not gonna help us. So we're gonna pass on that one. Another Lost in the Woods, free shop. Appreciate you. Here we go. Pick a peck of peppers. Boom. He just doubled. It's gonna pop off here. You'll see. You'll see. Yellow. I'll see. Oh no, that's terrible for us. That was the worst one to hit. Oh, that's good. Telling you, man. Doppelganger. Saved us. I need direct spells. Dude, this is killing me. I mean... I'm going to just get this, I think. And a bronze character silver, give it +5 plus... What is this? Ooh. Let's not get greedy. Let's just do this. Boom. Get the free shop. 1 spell on our dude. And turns him golden. That's perfect. So now he triples. Oh baby, a triple. So next turn he's gonna be huge. With a capital huge. It's probably the worst one to get. We still tied, that's fine. Okay, Lost in the Woods. Free shop. Giant growth. Boom. That sucks. Just get the gold. Or the legendary. Okay, here we go. Double. We'll do like this, double. He's 400 again. Look at this. He's huge. All right, let's do that. Boom. Ooh. It's unfortunate I have 2 of those. Okay. Cashmere cat, take that. Your farewell abilities are also hunt abilities. Ooh. I would be crazy with this, but I don't know if it's going to get off a hunt. And it's already doing plenty for us. Let's just do the fairies. One, get an additional +7/+7 out of our spells. Okay, get our bonus shop. This would be nutty, but it's a little late for that. We're just going to pass. We'll do Silver Nightshade. Get our free shop. We're going to hit Greed on our guy. We're going to do the Abracadabra, get a shop full of spells. Something in here has to be targetable. And it is the Eureka, which is the spell we really want. Because that gives us a free shop on a mage. And the genie do be a mage. That's 1,000 damage. GG's, I'll call you in the morning. Oh my goodness. I'll just buff the back row, whatever. This guy's screwed. I love it when a plan comes together. Yeah, our front row is massive. Beautiful. And if it even got past that, look at this. Doppelganger for the win. Well, G. Mother effing G's. That's our run with the Lightning Thief. We'll see you next time.